Hello, hi friends, this is Anupriya and this video is regarding very serious matter, how the whole world, not the world, whole world is suffering from this COVID virus and how people are losing our life. And for the country it's just a number, but for a family or for a friends it's very precious. And I feel this virus has to be stopped, or it has to be taken a full stop. So it has to start with a single person. Each and every person matters because each person can spread it like anything. So I felt this video will help you for the few people, and you can make few changes in your life so that you can lead a very happy life later on. So I would like to my Appa is going to share you few important things where you can include in your lifestyle so that it will help you out in this situations. Hello, hi.
Hi.
Major important thing, wear mask.
Hi. Already we made a video in Kannada. Actually, some people doesn't know Kannada, so that we thought that we should make in English also. Now, you see the corona, which is started from Wuhan, from China, it is spread worldwide, and it taken a very big share of lives. A lot of people have been live this world, and we are also feeling every day from the morning, whenever you watch a paper or you watch a news channel or anything, everywhere the corona. And in the first wave also, we thought that only above aged people who have asthma or who have diabetes or any health relative problems, who are having only that will be more affected. But now with the second wave, what we are seeing is the youngest people who are very energetic and very active persons also we are losing. We also lose very good people of my one or two, three friends have been lost their lives. So I am also shattered with these things. But one thing is, this corona can be controlled. Yeah, definitely. The one thing is that the thing what the treatment is going in a wrong way, as of my knowledge, I thought. But anyhow, I can't change the system, or I can't express. This what I'm talking now. These views are from the experts who have been Ayurveda and food and everything. How it works and what is actually corona. See, corona is basically survives on the protein. Normally, it's covered with protein, and so it survives with the protein, and it goes to the lungs, and it's fibroids in the lungs, and it starts damaging your lungs, and it will be the breathing problem comes to you, and it supply of oxygen reduces to your body. Then you are succumbing to this disease. Now see what is the basic thing is the food what we are taking. When someone is infected with corona or this COVID, so first thing is to control the food habits. What is, because see, if you eat non-veg, fried foods, bakery foods, chapati, like hard digested food, heavy protein food, what happens? Normally these protein foods, what happens if you eat it, it will takes longer time to digest and to convert into as energy for your body. Normally what happens, for the metabolism you need oxygen. Like that only. See, for suppose we go to any function or any marriage or any event where if we eat very well high protein and high calorie food, what happens is, normally see, when you eat in a function, you eat more food or you eat lot of like these proteins, non-veg or something. What happens, normally digestion takes lot of longer duration. Within half an hour or 1 hour you feel little drowsiness and all the things. Why is because when you eat more food to your stomach, what happens, it has to be digested. So for the digestion purpose, our body sends more blood to the stomach, and what happens in that, the digestion takes longer duration, and with that when the more blood goes into the stomach, normally you feel drowsiness, the brain gets less oxygen, so that brain wants rest. Normally with the afternoon meals, heavy meals, we feel the same thing. Now how we can control these things? So simply, when someone is infected with COVID, the first thing is to control the food. You should not eat non-veg like fried fruits or something heavy protein food. You should eat only well cooked rice,
Boiled.
rice, and with little of dal, like moong dal something. You can eat with little, not much of spicy or not much of oily. Less oil and less spicy. If you eat, it will be easy to digest. And the more the food you eat, the more the energy consumptions. When the energy consumption goes up, what happens for the digestion purpose only? Normally, the oxygen levels in the blood will reduces. So for that, what you want to do is take the very easily digestible foods. You should not avoid heavy foods like dosa or idli. Someone says if dosa and idli also heavy, how you can say? No, dosa and idli contains udit dal and it's also already fermented food. So fermented food will take longer duration to digest. So you should even bakery foods also. There are a lot of they add fermenting chemicals and all the things to make the bakery foods. Apart from the fried fruits, non-veg, everything, it will makes you heavy to your body and it takes a lot of energy to digest it. For that, what you want to do is take light food and control yourself for at least for once if infected, 14 to 21 days is the contagious period. Once if you have been infected, it will be around 21 days, it will be spreading from you to others. So first of all, what you want to do is for 14 to 21 days, you should isolate yourself. First thing is wear mask, keep distance. Apart from that, when you are isolated, being a one pledge that I am infected, I am not going to spread to someone else. That is the basic thing. That these all measures if you take, it will control your control the entire situation in the country what's happening. Now you can see there are no beds, there are no oxygen beds, ICU beds, there is no treatment at all for this. Only now I think there is only remedy is the vaccination. The vaccination with the population level, what we have now about 138 crore people. If we want to vaccinate this much of people, it takes at least 1 year to 2 years. Till the time you want to survive. For the country, you are a number, but your family and your relatives, you are the only one, you are a precious person. So that take care of yourself, you should not be. For example, say, if you are growing a crop, you are growing a vegetable or something, and nearby there will be weeds will grow. So when weeds grows, if you feed to the vegetable or your crop, what happens? The weeds also eat up and your crop doesn't take that one. The same way, if you are infected with corona, if you eating unwanted like heavy proteins and all these things, it will help you. It will help the corona itself, not you. So please, for at least for the sake of your family and yourself, at least for 14 to 21 days, be controlled of your food and food habits, which helps you to increase your oxygen levels. So that will be help you, I think. This is a small what I've been studied in the so far so many days. Lot of in our farm also about 4-5 people are infected, myself and also some of them are infected. But we tried our best to control itself in the earlier stages itself. So I think you all people will be help this. I think this video can help you to come out from this situation. Thank you.
Hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe and comment.